Sentence. A group of words which makes complete sense is called a sentence. Example: 1. Saqib is a good man. 2. They are going to a store. 3. Horse is a faithful animal. Kinds of sentence. There are 4 kinds of sentences. 1. Declarative or assertive sentences. 2. Interrogative sentences. 3. Imperative sentences. 4. Exclamatory sentences. Declarative or assertive sentence. A sentence that makes a statement or assertion is called a declarative or assertive sentence. 1. Saqib is going to Lahore. He is helping poor people. Interrogative sentences. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. Examples: what is your name? Where do you live? Imperative sentence. A sentence that expresses a command or a prayer is called. Examples: may you live long. Shut the door. Exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses strong feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. 1. What a